Meg and Stephen, can you help Claire down? Okay.
No, Claire's one coming in. Yeah.
Now we have pictures down this side here.
Oh, is it down the other one?
Down this side, we've actually have a child running in and out there, down that aisle there. We have the picture of him sort of down in where we were able to catch him. We watched him running in and out.
Put it to the boat. Put it to the boat.
Head down towards the kitchen area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the kitchen open?
Oh, yeah.
What's the food driving?
Oh, there's the back. Did you? Is everybody here?
I thought you'd all stop because you'd heard something.
We did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is Glenn?
He's just coming. He's not far behind me.
Glenn? Yeah, I could hear. It sounded like it was above me, but it was all around me. It was behind me as well. And it sounded like marching feet.
Yeah.
And I think what's interesting is the girls who had the headphones on
Didn't hear it.
didn't hear it.
I can hear it. I've headphones on.
I
I
have
can hear it.
headphones on. I heard it.
Yeah.
Just by it.
Did you just hear that?
What?
Someone talking in there.
Yeah,
In there?
it's quite a bit. So you will hear what's name quite a bit.
The benefit of the voice recorders, Diane, Cheryl, Mandy and Sam, and we're in the play area.
So you can hear them already, so it does echo.
Shall I shut that door?
There's a piece of something holding it open.
This one and the other one.
Maybe your favourite game is a nursery rhyme, where you reenact the actions. Can you sing a certain nursery rhyme? One of your favourites, and maybe we can join in?
Right. So warm in here. Can't hear you.
Warm.
Oh,
Warm.
Yeah. Susan said it was warm up here, didn't she?
Yeah.
is that the door?
What? I've just moved the door, yeah.
You just go.
That was the door.
That's what I think. Oh, do you want to come on here with me?
I'm holding the door.
Door. Hold door.
I've got the keys to the Master's Lodge. We can walk out the front door, over the bridge, down into the town, and you can go home. If your name is Alice, your name as loud as possible, please.